Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very sleek top knot using the AlikayNaturals styling gel, and I just want to show y'all how I am so impressed because my edges do not like to be not in their natural state. They like to be curly, they don't like to lay flat. So with the help of a scarf, I was able to achieve this very sleek, very laid, very wavy top knot, and I'll show you guys how I got that. So let's get into the tutorial. All right guys, so this is a old braid out. It still has a little bit of texture. I probably had it down for about 2 days. It has been raining here like crazy, and it's not humid, but there's definitely moisture in the air, so I haven't been wearing my hair out. So today I'm going to do a bun using the lemongrass, the AlikayNaturals lemongrass hold it styling gel. It says show off your favorite styles, juicy curls, define twist out, and sleek edges using the lemongrass style collection. Okay, so my edges don't lay too well. So this is gonna be fun to test this out, and maybe I'll use it some other time doing twists, but for now we're just gonna do a quick bun. I'm going to use a smaller hair tie, and I can't see, I don't know why I don't have my glasses on. The struggle is real. Let's see how I want to do this. Do I want to do the gel first, or do I want to do the gel? All right, so I'm going to wet my hair with the AlikayNaturals leave-in conditioner just to give it a little moisture before I start brushing it. And I never really brush the back. I only just, because the back does its own smooth thing. But let me see if you guys, so I can zoom you guys in a little. Okay. So, yeah. All right, I'm gonna add just maybe a dollop of gel. It's very clear. It does kind of look like Vaseline, which is too funny. But see them edges, they get pretty slick. All right, let me take those off. They do get pretty slick, but my edges just they like to be curled, so they curl back up. I don't usually do baby hairs, but I'm gonna try today. So what I'm gonna do is just use this. It's kind of a soft bristle boar's head brush. It's not as hard as like the kind that guys use to get the waves. So maybe that's why I don't get as much slickness as I typically like. But I'm just gonna take it in the back. I'm just literally gonna use my whole palm, the whole palm of my hand. And I like to have my bun either off to the side or straight up. I'm gonna do it straight up today. And use my little hair tie. And I try not to do it too tight because I get headaches. So, do it around once, do it around twice, and I think I'm going to maybe do a third time. And as you can see, I'm gonna try to pull it halfway through so it gives me the ball. Bam. And then I'm just gonna pin. Is that how I want it to look? I kind of wanted it to be really neat. So I pulled it halfway through. Let me show y'all again. Take it loose. So on my last go around, you get closer. I'm gonna take it and pull it and leave the ends sticking out, like leave the ends right here sticking out. And I can either pull it almost into the ends are complete and then just tuck it under, or I'm gonna try to make it look a little bit more neat and wrap it around. See how that looks. Then it kind of looks like a little ballet bun, and it actually just wraps on itself. So I'm gonna take a little more on my edges. Because I have a widow's peak, I don't like to do baby hairs, but we'll see, girl, we'll see. I'm gonna get super close. Okay. Not a huge fan, but we'll see what I can do. I just feel like it doesn't look right on me. You know, see, it just looks funny, but we'll see how slick I can get my edges to look. Maybe I won't do baby hairs. We'll just see how slick it can get. Adding a little bit extra on the edges to give it a real slick look. Because as you can see in the back, it's pretty sleek already just by the tension of putting it in a ponytail, a high pony. So edges are laid. And maybe I'll just do a little bit. Few little baby hairs. And I can actually do those with my finger. And just, I'm not really feeling the Ashanti, so I'll just do like a little teeny. They do better on this side for some reason. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel. A little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna take my trusty scarf. And y'all, I've been watching this show. Have y'all seen it? It's called Killing Eve. It comes back on in March, but I'm binging it so I can, or April, it is March. Comes back on in April. And I've been binge watching it today to catch up. And it is so good. So I'm gonna watch one more episode of that. And then I will come back and show you guys how my edges stay laid. It's kind of cute. I kind of want to keep my headscarf on. All right, anyways. So I'm just going to tie that down. I don't think I did that right. Let's try it again. Let's do it this way. I think that's better. Yeah, okay. Does look kind of cute already. Okay. I have to push it back a little on my ears. Boop, boop. All right, so I will let this sit for a little, maybe like an hour and 30, or I don't know how long the episode is, between 30 minutes to an hour. All right, guys, for the great reveal. Oh, some mail. Whoa! Y'all looking seasick over here. Dang, sis. Y'all, can y'all ride them? Can you ride the waves though, sis? Shh. All right, so I'm gonna go about my day. It's around 2 p.m. Monique, it's around 2 p.m. on a Sunday, but this side did really well. I didn't smooth this one down as much, but I do have a little baby hair there. We'll see if it lasts several hours. So far, so good. I'm loving my little high bun. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Bye! Alright guys, so I totally forgot to record an outro, but my edges did stay laid all day, sis. And I highly recommend this gel. I have used it several times since I recorded this video. But anywho, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!